Hello guys, welcome to my latest video. This time will be, I believe, second video with the NBA Hoops 2020-21, the latest set. So if you watched my previous video, it's definitely you saw some quite impressive stuff. Very nice hits, very cool cards. So hopefully this time we're gonna see something similar. Fingers crossed. Main thing is, like I always do, I always mention, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. That will keep us all up to date with the latest videos and our growing community. So let's start opening the packs and enjoy the fruits of this pack opening. So, slam inserts, my favorite vanity plates, and some nice teal or purple explosion rookies. Okay, so far I hadn't pulled any superstars except KD up from the base set. Slam was impressive. Slam cards were definitely impressive. And LaMelo, we got LaMelo, so fingers crossed, maybe another LaMelo. So, start off. Pack number 1. Paul George is watching. If you're not sure, that is definitely Paul George. I will show you in a moment. That is definitely Paul George. And if front is not enough, it says on the back, Paul George, my man. So, let's start. Pack number 1. T.G. Warren, Cody Zeller, there's Basley, C.J. McCollum. He started to play quite quickly. He got back to his rhythm after the injury. Second game of third and 30 plus points. Spider, John Wall, Kendrick Nunn, Torrey Craig, Christian Wood. He's playing at the All-Star level in the Houston. Mamba, Austin Rivers, Kristaps Porzingis, JJ Redick. Oh, Jason Tatum. It's nice. Patrick Beverly, Chris Middleton, Chris Dunn, Andrew Wiggins, Kyle Kuzma, Kyrie for the Nets, and a purple parallel, Devin Booker. That's nice. The Joker vanity plates. Cool. Not hollow yet, but still not. Oh, slam! Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Kobe! Black Mamba. Ooh, that's cool. That's cool. And KD. This pack is awesome. Awesome. I thought the previous packs were amazing, but this pack beats them all. Theo Maledon, the rookie. This goes in the middle. That's here. It's middle. Cole Anthony. This has a fractured rib. Hopefully he will come back. Should be like 2 weeks away from coming back. Josh Green, Killian Hayes, Aaron Nesmith to the Boston, and the last is Obi Toppin. Got quite cool the slam dunk contest. Very nice. This pack is very nice. Very nice. What else can I say? In one pack you get inserts. Kobe, slam. The Joker, vanity plates, and the purple Devin Booker. Not red back, but purple is purple. So cool. Definitely first pack worth watching in any means. And that Kobe is awesome. Okay, so we have in this pack, we're going to have a purple teal explosion, So let's do the pack number 2. Terrence Davis, Josh Kogi, Kevin Knox, Tim Hardaway Jr., Drew Holiday, Jaylen Brown, Landry Schmidt, Mr. Ja Morant, Wendell Carter Jr., I'll put him aside, Mr. Ja, Trae Young. Okay, just one card. Oh, so it could be, no, not red back. And the Joe, no red back. Patty Mills, Sekou, Vucevic, Rubio, Malcolm Brogdon, PG Washington, oh my god, Thomas Bryant, and we have Buddy Hield. Upside down, Duncan Robinson, maybe he's a red back. No. Paul Millsap upside down, so I won't be turning that upside down because Teal Explosion is in the right position. So OKC, Danilo Gallinari. That's nice, Teal Explosion. What else? For the Mavericks, Slam. You must be kidding me. First pack Kobe, second pack Luka. Who's here? The KT. Lights, camera, action. Joel Embiid, frequent flyers. And the rookies. Isaac Okoro. Isaiah Stewart. Jordan Nwora. Jalen Smith. Denny Avdia. And the last one is Onyeka Okongwu. Oh my god, guys, can you believe this? One slam Kobe, if that's not enough. Another slam is Luka. Yeah, so far I'm quite impressed. Many videos I've seen, I was watching the other guys opening up. Not in all blaster boxes you get so many slam cards. But this one is amazing, amazing. Actually, when I saw this Teal Parallel, Teal Explosion, I wasn't expecting to get any slam cards, but it's, like I say, it's amazing, amazing, amazing. Maybe we will top that up with an auto card, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, first card on the last pack, Malik Beasley, Mitchell Robinson, Dwight Powell, Derek Favors, Mark Smart, Marcus Morris, Damian Lillard, Kobe White, Marquise Chris, Shake Milton, upside down, but no, not red back, Luke Kennard, Jonathan Isaac, Kelly Oubre, Domantas Bonus, Nicholas Batum, John Collins. Okay, who's here? De'Aaron Fox, Mike Conley, upside down, Nikola Jokic, Darius Garland, and okay, spoiler alert, Cameron Johnson. It's a pink one, so I'll turn it upside down because the other inserts are upside down as well. So Cam Johnson, and the next one is frequent flyers, Ja Morant. Next one is camera lights action, Joel Embiid. And the last insert is vanity plates, Mr. LeBron James himself. How about that? And the rookies, Obi Toppin, Tyrese Maxey, Desmond Bain, Cassius Stanley, James Ramsey, and the last one, Alexei Pokusevsky, was the youngest Thunder with the double-double. So we finish off this Pack opening with LeBron James himself. So here in the middle, Kobe, LeBron, and Luka. So very nice. Ja Morant as well, frequent flyers. So quite cool, very impressive. I was impressed by the first pack opening, the previous video, but this one surpasses everything. All my expectations are beyond by any means. It's just unbelievable. So many great cards and great stuff, great players. So yeah, quite cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did so, just hit the like button. And if you want to share your thoughts, leave a comment below the video, and I'm definitely be happy to reply to your thoughts and maybe to supplement them as well. That's it. Very impressive slam. So fingers crossed, next video won't be anything less than this one, and we're all gonna enjoy watching the pack opening. So thanks again, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye now.